Are you ready? 5 seconds. Start. The Supreme Court considered the applicability of Section 19 within bracket 3 of the 1988 Act to the case initiated under the repealed Act stop. It is held as follows: under subsection within bracket 2 of the Section 30 of the 1988 Act, any action taken under or in pursuance of the repealed Act, such action will be deemed to have been taken under the corresponding provisions of the new Act stop. Under Section 19 within bracket 3, no order of conviction and sentence can be reversed or altered by a court of appeal or revision even on the ground of the absence of sanction stop, unless the opinion of that court a failure of justice has been occasioned thereby stop. By adding the explanation, the said embargo is further widened to the effect that even if the sanction was granted by an authority who was not strictly competent to accord such sanction, then also the appellate as well as revisional courts are debarred from interfering with the conviction and sentence on that ground. Stop stanza. Learned counsel appearing for the revision petitioner has argued that in V.K. Sehgal's case, the question arose from consideration was whether the conviction and sentence imposed on an accused under the repealed act by the special court can be reversed on the ground of impropriety or irregularity in according sanction and not regarding the stay of trials stop. It is argued that provision contained in Section 6 within bracket 1 within bracket 2 of the PC Act 1947 and Section 19 within bracket 3 of the 1988 Act are one and the same, and section of 1988 Act deals with impropriety or irregularity of the sanction accorded stop. According to the Council, the provisions contained in Section 19 stands on different footing, and hence the principle laid down in V.K. Sehgal's case within bracket supra is also not applicable to these cases stop. It is true that the apex court was considering the legality of the judgment passed by the High Court, setting aside the conviction and sentence imposed by special judge and acquitting the accused stop. But the Supreme Court has not made any distinction between the provisions contained in Find to Section 19 alone stop. It applies to subsections within bracket B and within bracket C of Section 19 of that provisions contained laid down in that case. It is ideal to contend that the High Court, in respect of a case in which cognizance was taken before 9/9/1998 stop. Since Section 19 deals with procedure alone, provisions contained in subsections within bracket A and within bracket B of Section 19 are applicable to the cases registered prior to 9/9/1998. Stop. Over.